Welcome to your new Christian Financial online banking. First, begin by navigating to christianfinancialcu.org and look for the blue login box in the upper right of the home screen. Enter your current username, then enter your new temporary password. Your new temporary password will be your first and last initial, uppercase, your month of birth is 2 digits, and the last 4 of your social security number. So for example, John Smith, born in July, with the last 4 digits of SSN 1234, would be capital J, capital S, 071234. Next, you will need to authenticate yourself. Select the channel that you would like to use. Choose Text Me to receive a 6-digit code, which you will enter on the screen to confirm your identity. Choose Call Me to receive a phone call and follow the prompts to complete your authentication. Or choose Email Me to receive an authentication email. You will then be prompted to change your username if applicable and your password. Once you have entered and re-entered your new information, click Save. You have now successfully logged in to your new online banking. To log out, select the Logout from the upper right corner of the screen. For more information about the upcoming changes, visit christianfinancialcu.org/banking4u.